In this video, we see how to set up what we have right here, which is a label queue. It's a list of items with a certain quantity that you can print out specified labels for. So in this case, we'd be printing out labels that have 2 prices and a barcode at the top with a description. What we would do is we can start a new transaction called label queue, and then we'd scan in the items and they'd go into the list. We could then manually change the quantity. We can also do this from mobile devices. And so if you've seen the device video, you would see that in the device video, we have this option quick scanning device added. We're assigned to a device here that has that enabled, which allows us to access a label queue transaction and then quick scan items into it. We can go over to pull up a label queue transaction. Then we can go to the home screen and we can begin to scan items. So if we begin to scan items, it will take us to this section here and it will add those into the list. We would change just the one item and then we can enter in the quantity that we're doing for it, or we could scan the item multiple times. It really doesn't matter. Because at the point where we want to print the labels, we would switch back over to our point of sale. So we're going to walk over to a computer that has a label printer. We're going to go to the orders. We're going to pull up that order. And then we're going to go ahead and print out all the labels. So here we go to print labels. It's going to look up the last style of label that we've selected. And then we can hit print all items. That will just loop through everything and print out the quantity that we have assigned. Or we can select individual rows and print individual labels for the item that we have selected. That's all you need to know for label queues. If you want to just print individual labels manually, you can also scan them in using the catalog. Go to labels, select the label type that you want, change the quantity and hit skew. These are the 3 easy methods to scan items for a label queue or individual catalog items. Of course, we have other options to print labels throughout the system, but this was specifically for catalog items. If you have any questions, email us at support@pointlesspos.com. Thanks for watching.